When this guy was out surfing, this baby sea lion waddled up to him as he
¿Qué te pasa?
and moments later, the baby replied with one of the most adorable sounds I've ever heard in my life.